Hey guys, I'm at the Acura booth here at the LA Auto Show 2023. We got the new ZDX. This is the Type S in the Tiger Eye Pearl paint color. Look at the bezel around that diamond pentagon grille. We got that illumination. Looks way better in person than I thought it was going to. Because in the age of EVs, you don't really need much grille. Acura holding on to that grille. Can't wait to see also that optional illuminated Acura badge. I believe that's going to be an accessory as well. Of course, we got the chicane daytime running lights, the dual headlights under that, which of course aren't on. Now, the Type S has a lot of glossy black accents on the bottom, but it does a really good job complementing that grille as well. Really long hood here. There's Acura really went big with the dash to axle ratio with the new TLX, for example, a few years back. And for an EV, I mean, this looks like you could stuff an engine underneath it there. It doesn't look like an EV in my opinion. Huge wheels down below. Now the Type S also has the massive Brembo brakes on the inside. There's your charging port. Look at this, they put Type S here on the charging port and they allow us to open it up. CCS 1 charging port, I believe we'll be seeing adapters for that, for the NACS, and then this will adopt NACS, I believe, at the end of 2024, maybe 2025 as well. So the Type S has around 280 miles of range. If you get the rear-wheel drive variant, I think it goes up to around 320 miles of range roughly. So let's go ahead and check out this orchid interior. So not allowed to get on the inside, but I like the embossed headrest here. Strong bolstering, thigh extension, aluminum pedals, the Type S skid plate here. The Bang & Olufsen, guys, Bang & Olufsen sound system, that is a departure from the ELS audio. This is going to be one of the first Acura vehicles to move on from the ELS. And this nice brushed aluminum, actually this is cold to the touch. This is absolutely aluminum. I love that feature here. Soft touch, very premium feeling. Above that, memory seats here as well. Auto folding mirrors, no surprise. Now we have a digital cockpit behind the steering wheel. You're going to have the GM Chevy Cruze, Super Cruise in this as well. Type S on the steering wheel, large center screen, and no longer do we have true touch interface. It is all touchscreen. I like how we keep the volume knob, heated and ventilated seats, lots of tactile buttons for the climate control as well. So I'm liking what I see on the inside here. To me, it looks very Acura, even though it is built at a General Motors plant. The angles of the interior, everything does look like an Acura product, absolutely. So I'm going to close this. We have the sunshades in the back here. Again, that nice aluminum grille for the Bang & Olufsen, even in the back seat. Soft touch materials here, so very, very well done. And look at these orchid seats with that little suede on the outside. Climate control with the rotary dials, heated outboard seats. It looks like tons of legroom and a completely flat floor for the passengers. Got that panel roof in here, so this looks very, very comfortable. I can't wait to sit inside it when I get the chance. Availability will be soon on the ZDX here early 2024 alongside of the Honda Prologue. Well, I didn't show you the back, but I like how the Acura logo is really tucked inside of this liftgate here. It's almost flush with it. Really, really gorgeous. A new style chicane rear taillights here. Like how it gives it a very wide stance. Of course, we have the Type S badge on the back. Type S is going to be all-wheel drive, but notice it doesn't say super handling all-wheel drive. A little bit of departure. Maybe when Acura starts using Honda's own technology in the coming years, we might see actually super handling all-wheel drive. But for now, it's just dual motor and available in the single motor in the A-Spec models. This one over here is an A-Spec, for example, and that has the option. Well, that does say all-wheel drive as well, but it is not as powerful as this Type S model. And over there, I spoke to John Ikeda earlier, president I think brand president of Acura. He's a designer at heart. He says this is the one he would be getting, and it is really, really striking. Man, the black wheels here, I mean, you kind of have the machine finish wheels on that Type S. These black wheels with the 22s, very, very striking, very gorgeous. Type S on the charging port there as well with a blacked out roof. But guys, I have so many vehicles to cover here at the LA Auto Show. Subaru just got done doing their reveal on the new Forester. Got to head to Honda. So much. All right, I got to cut it off. See you in the next one.